So today we have a Merc 2016 C200 front right suspension arm, a little bit of play, as you can see here. We'll do the test, know if you can hear it. So I'm gonna loosen it. Yep. How to get this out? Now this is the new parts. Moog. This is a number, if you can see it, 625-21184 METC 15124. One of those numbers should work. How to get this out? Pretty easy. Just take off the wheel, of course. Then it will be like this. Yeah, you get the picture. It's sealed like this, and there's a conical shape on it, so you can take the bolt off, and this will be right here. Look up, and you can tap it from here, from the hole here. You can tap it when the arm is still in. You can tap it slightly up to go out. It's a little bit, yeah, see it. And when this comes out, you have enough room to wiggle the arm, because there's not a lot of room here, as you can see. But you don't have to loosen anything else. You can just lift the arm like this. Poof, it goes out. Of course, you have to loosen the struts. You have to loosen the stabilizer, little stabilizer arm, and this bolt right over here. Tools, all you need is a wrench, 24 with a hex shape, 21, this little hex socket, reverse hex socket, how you, yeah, store socket, and that's it. These are the bolts that come out, and yeah. Just this little piece. I was asking myself, shit, there's not enough room to lift it out. How did they do it? And with an extra piece like this. So there you have it. Easy cheesy. Gonna put in a new one, and we'll be on the road again. Catch you later.